say you're a district school, sorry, you're a district on the top, and you have, in our example, three different schools underneath you. Each of those schools has their morning announcements, but they all play at different times. And you need to be able to have those, we'll say, morning announcements show up at different times in every school on their select displays, it all being managed from the district parent. So how do we do that? So for my example here, I've got three schools underneath we're going to call my testing company, the district, my elementary, my high school, and my middle school. I've got three different presentations. I've got all for announcements, right? And each one of them looks a bit different because they're unique to that school. When I go look at my displays, I've got the elementary schools display, the high schools display, the middle schools display. And lastly, when I go to my schedules, I have three different schedules. Now, the schedules are the important part here because this is what really controls everything. We'll use the elementary school first. When I go to the elementary school, notice that this specific schedule is playing every day from 8 a.m. to 8:10 only on the elementary school display, and it's playing the elementary school announcements. Now, this is only going to play from 8 to 8:10 on whatever displays are selected, right? Then the exact same thing with the middle school and the middle school and the high school. The difference is the middle school is 5 minutes later, 8 to 8:15, only on the middle school's display, playing the middle school's announcements. And then finally, same thing with the high school, and we don't need to go click on it here to see it. But that way, from the parent or the district, you'll be able to manage those three announcement presentations going only to the specific displays that they're assigned, all showing at the exact times that you need them to show up at.